How to add golden notes on Instagram. So let's get started. It is possible that you have noticed that some of your contacts on Instagram notes are now appearing in a new gold color when they resumed utilizing the Instagram notes function. So why is this transformation occurring? Instagram has decided to turn the color of Instagram notes to gold when you input certain terms in honor of the Olympics. Some notes are now showing up in this unique gold color, but the most are still the standard white. All you have to do is try utilizing some phrases to convert your Instagram notes into gold if you are feeling very victorious, such as you can use medal, you can use Olympics, gold, goat, flashlight emojis, goat emojis, gold medal emojis, or medal emojis only. Beyond their connection to the Olympic spirit, these words and emojis are also a clever way for Instagram to draw attention to an unrealized feature. Instagram attempted to introduce this feature, which had gained traction with the now defunct Twitter Flips over a year ago. So now that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.